The date 20th May 2020. It all begins with a small idea to do something that would help the poor and needy students of our school, the Wesley Higher Secondary School, during the Corona crisis. The Wesley Alumni Association think tank discusses the issue and after a lot of contemplation decides to give away free grocery kits to families of the poor and needy children. The parents of these children are going through untold misery due to loss of jobs, pay cuts, and other difficulties. Next on the agenda are the numbers. Free grocery kits for how many families, the cost implication, the source of funds, and so on. The think tank sits again, does a rough calculation and decides that 100 families would benefit, and with each kit costing 1,000 rupees, a total of 1 lakh rupees would be needed. A high-impact appeal note is drafted and WhatsApped to past students and well-wishers. The response, overwhelming. Past students, well-wishers, and many more respond with gusto, and the teachers contribute a huge amount of 59,000 rupees. The donations gallop beyond the estimated 1 lakh rupees, and by 26th, with contributions from past students pouring in, the total touches a whopping 2.21 lakh rupees. And so, the think tank decides 150 families it would be and not 100. Next, an action plan is drawn to source the grocery items at the best cost, pack them in individual bags, and get everything ready for the event to be held on Saturday, the 30th of May. The plan is put into action, and with clockwork precision, the products are got, the packing process completed, and on 29th morning, 150 kits are ready for distribution. Each kit bag contains 24 items, including rice, pulses, and spices. 2 sets of masks are also put in. The D-Day, Saturday, 30th May 2020. COVID-19 precautionary measures are in place. The event is on, and Headmaster Dibson Roy, assisted by the school staff, leads the way in distributing the free grocery kits. Others too take pride in joining him and distributing the kits. The beneficiaries patiently wait, and one by one, as they collect their kits, their eyes are misty with gratitude and thankfulness, as if to say, "Thank you, you touched our lives." The sun sets on the event, but it will be a new dawn for the beneficiaries, a dawn that holds a promise, a dawn that instills hope, and above all, a dawn that makes them realize that all is not lost. A job well done, a mission accomplished. Long live Wesley.
திங்களைப் போல வாழியவே, செந்தமிழைப் போல வாழியவே, திருக்குறள் போல வாழியவே.